18 second shot clock. Jumper for the Villarreal first 2 points of Katangawan. Okay, Victor now. Fast talk. Wala. Sino ito nakatira? Si Carrillo, no? Nakuha sa Katangawan. Villarreal pa naman ang itangan ng mula back to the center. Pinasa kay Villarreal. Banwa open for the baseline. Pumasok for zero. Frappers ball. Remington. Jumper. Yes, the points man. Nabitawan. Skill number 26. Jumper. Lumabas ang mula. Balik sa Katangawan na mula. Remaining time 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Okay, there's 2 points naman sa Katangawan. 6 to. Pagkakapilit sa nakong black na ka. Antong na araw. There foul turns. Inilog number 11. First personal man. First team foul naman sa Katangawan. Okay, Frappers ball mentor. Plus, pinasa sa gitna. Ibanez, wala. Okay naman. Katangawan to Villarreal. Traveling Mauritius, there's no basket. Traveling Mauritius.
Gawad ba ito?
Okay, Mount Frappers ang ulan. Mount number 1 pass to number 26 back to the center. And then tumira sa labas. Wala. Okay, traveling Mauritius naman. Second turnover. So the shot. Galumalim out, Proper Warriors. Galumalim out, replaced by Galumalim. 14 second shot clock, 14 second shot clock po rin doon. And Victor. Labas kay Reyes, 10 second shot clock. And Victor. To Galumalim, tumira. Foul sa three-point shot, na foul. Okay, last throw. Second throw. Yes, another 1-1. Last throw, jumper, ready to jumper. Last throw, Galumalim by 2 points for the first quarter. 2 points. Okay, nag-restore, nag-call some timeout si Coach Olmer. The 2 free throws by Campos, number 24, basket. Pumasok ang unang tira, 7-5. 5 minutes and 29 remaining. Second throw for the thrower for Campos. 1 point for the first and opening quarter. Yes, complete the points. 8-5. Dropping down to 3 points for the first quarter. Elvin Toro. And ito na ang itaan mula Proper Warriors on the attack. 13 second shot clock. Okay naman si Galumalim. Tumira sa labas sa 3-point shot no basket. And this for the steal. Pasto Inilog dito sa over. Pasto Villarreal. Pinasa sa Villarreal. Campos pumustre. Pull away. Jumper labas. Steal. Okay, steal ni Hamilton. Nagwala. Challenge by Villarreal. There's a pass by Tario to Hamilton again. Pinasa iwan niya sa open. May kasawa ng foul. Basket foul. Charge to number 15. Banwa. Basket foul charge to number 11. Number 11, si Nilo. There's a bonus throw by Ibanez. 6-8, 8-7. Isa lang ang lamang sa Katangawan. 4 minutes remaining and 44 seconds for the first quarter. Labas na Villarreal. Sumalaksak sa gitna. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pasok ang tira ni Magbanwa. There's a very nice pass, no? Ni Pio Magbanwa. Balik sa tatlo ang lamang sa Katangawan Bullets. 10-7. Open din naman. Open. Yes, nakabawi. Balik sa isa ang kalabangan. Down to 1 point. Proper Warriors. 4 minutes and 14 remaining for the first and opening quarter. Campos umatake. No. Rebound. Agawan sa rebound. Bumalik na kuha ni Campos ngayon. Labas kay Tio Villanueva. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Katungan. 7 seconds shot clock. Foul. Okay, may foul. Balik sa free throw line si Campos. Foul charge to Galumalit. Number 11. 111. Substitution, right? Carry out, proper. Okay, replaced by Gatutio. It is out. It is out. Campos number 30 ang ipinasok ni Coach Almero. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 57 for the first quarter. Balik sa free throw line si Campos. 2 free throws by number 24. Katungan bullets for the free throw lines. No basket. Last round. Ang gimmick chok dito, dito po ito. Imo ka isa-isa man. Isa-isa ka mo ha. Dasig, dito baka, okay, last round. Last round, Campos, third Campos, may 2 points for the first quarter. Wala, hindi pumasok ang pangalawang tira, but nastinagin by Tio Villanueva. For the advance, Campos for the bomba, pasok mga tira ni Campos. Dalawang big men ang ahas ng katawan ng leading scorer sa first quarter. Si Campos ni Villanueva may parehas ng score 4 points for the opening quarter. At dito naman, tumira, no. Magbanwa, pass to Villanueva. Another foul charge to Gatutio. Gatutio number 13. First personal from Gatutio. 3 minutes and 29 ang oras for the first quarter. Villanueva, 2 points. Score na 14-9. Okay, dito na mga magulang pass ko Ibanez for the city area na balik sa labas kay Galumalim to Gatutio last. May 3 seconds. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Inilog out, Katungan, replace Atido, number 12. Escultura out, binalik si Galumalim. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Okay, Brown. Magdaliwa, Atido. Tumabanwa. Tapos, wala. Campos again for rebound. Wala man si Giapon. Agawan si Aren. Magbanwa for the steal. Steal ni Galumalim. Rappers the ball. Okay, foul. May foul. May foul charge to Campos. Number 24. First personal. Second personal na si Campos. 18 seconds shot clock, proper, Brown Warriors. Inbound to the Galumalim pass to Edmonton. 15 seconds shot clock. To Galumalim, open. Wala. Rebound. Okay, last touch ang proper. Okay, substitution, right? Ari na. Campos out. Sino ba Campos? Tirde. Campos out, replaced by Nano Pagbanwa. Ay ng point guard sa Katungan Bullets. Ipinasok na. With si Nano Pagbanwa. Point guard isa sa Katungan Bullets. Villanueva basketball. Chopper now. Campos back. Okay, still by Ibanez to Galumalim. Edmonton now. Running move, pasok ang tira. Ayun na, malik na lamang ha. 11-14, tatlo lang ang lamang sa Katungan. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Ang Villanueva ito magbanwa, pinagawa sa labas. No. Rebound. Proper, Galumalim to Ibanez. Malakas ang pasan ni Galumalim. Balik ang bola, turnover. Balik ang bola sa Katungan Bullets. 1 minute and 48 remaining. Okay, magbanwa to Atido. Balik sa kay Villanueva to Katungan. Nano! Pinatol niya no! Uy, Carlos! O Agawan! Hindi ka mistilin na no? Okay, naman na. Nakitawan. Nakuha ni Biag Magbanwa. Magbanwa. Drive. Foul. Okay, foul. Charge stop. Number 8, 23, 1 minute and 23 seconds. Last round. Basket lang muna ng tira. Last round. Second round. Magbanwa. Yes, another 1 point, complete 2 points. 16-11. Limanam. 5 up by 5 ang kawan. Buti na mister nila. Magbanwa. Balik sa kayo dito. 12 seconds siya pa. Kalumalim jumper. Wala. Rebound Ibanez. Last 10 seconds siya pa. Ibanez naman tumihaw. Wala. Takas ang tira. Rebound. Tiyo nila rebound. Baseline jumper open. Yes to points. Laban niligid mapila si Tiyo nila rebound. May 7 points na ending turn. Ibanez for the putback, wala pang sa Diapon, rebound, proper sa Diapon, tapulen, Tiyo Villarriba for the steal. Abi Villarriba naman ulit ang sumalaksa, attack, yes, tutulan sa naman. 32 seconds remaining. Okay, dito. 15 seconds shot left, proper Road Warriors. Steal naman ulit sa katungan. Nakuha last ng trapper, 14 seconds remaining. Last 11 seconds, jump over outside. Wala. Ibanez, 7 seconds. 1 second, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, time. Time for the first